Where's your friend, Christina?
I'll get her.
Where's she at?
She's on the side. I'll get her.
I don't see her. Oh, it's right here. That's Christina's friend. Oh, there it is. Christina. It's right here.
Where?
It's right there. It's over there, Christina.
Oh, okay.
Okay, you can pet a little bit and put it back in the water.
Okay.
All right. He's pet. All right. Okay, let it swim. Let it chill now.
I am. I'm still gonna get off.
Okay. Is that your new pet? Is that your new pet? You have a fish that you can actually pet? Wow.
Yeah, mermaids do have pet fish.
Oh, there she comes.
Oh, look at that's cool.
I think she likes the pool.
I know. It's much bigger than the pond.
Uh-huh.
We need to start leaving her in the pool. Hey, Grace. Grace, come here, girl. She's right there.
I
She
know.
loves the pool. We need to start leaving her in here and leaving her in here.
All right.
She likes the pool. We're not going to put her in the thing. Oh, she's on the side right here. Hey, girl. Mercy and Grace are up there. They're like, now they're in the wild. Where'd she go?
She's over there.
Oh, no.